Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the Dobbs Language Learning Center. This is our second lesson. Let's remember our first lesson where we learned some domestic animals. And if you don't know that lesson, I will suggest you to watch my first video and move to this one where we will learn words in English and Russian, which is divided into groups. This time we are going to learn some wild animals. Here you can see some of them, and let's start with fox. 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 Lisa. Wolf. 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 Walk. Tiger. 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 Leopard. 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 Giraffe. 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 Deer. 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 Alien. Bison. 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 Hippopotamus. 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 Behemoth. Zebra. 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 Bear. 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 Made red. Elephant. 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 Sloth. Hedgehog. 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 Ежик. Panda. 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 Raccoon. 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 Енот. Koala. 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 Ostrich. 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 Strauss. Lion. 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 Лев. Snake. 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 Змея. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed from the lesson. And next lessons we are going to learn some school vocabulary. See you soon guys in the lesson 3.